Yes, yeah, don't send it now. Yeah.
That's easy, yeah, for the boys and all that stuff.
So what's the number? 999.
It's a cushy little number, isn't it? Wouldn't mind being there. It is. Yeah.
Doing this high summit. Yeah. I mean, actually, there were people dumping.
You all okay, yeah?
Yeah, we're fine, thank you.
Yes.
This is security.
Yeah, I saw that. Do you reckon people must just throw stones at them? How do they do that? It's like an aim, something to aim at.
Yeah, it's nice. It's supposed to get milder now, isn't it, from the weekend onwards? 19, 20, 22-ish. Sorry? Oh, I can't remember.
Speed bumps ahead.
It looks like it's still on the low.
Speed bumps ahead. That's what it's got on that sign. Speed bumps ahead.
That one sold for £1 million last year. So the house has ranged from 700,000 to 7.5 million.
Wow.
So they're not cheap. So that one sold for £1 million.
My dreams are now deflated.
They're not cheap at all. This one went up to 3.5 million. Yeah, so very expensive. All cash sales, no mortgages down here. No mortgages, all cash. That's it. That's why you can't get a mortgage anywhere down here because of insurance. So insurance won't have it. So all cash sales.
Yeah.
But if you can afford that,
I bet they're ride-on mowers.
Maybe they're robots.
exactly.
Yeah, maybe.
This one here's got a swimming pool on the roof. That used to be the game room to that house, but they sold it off as a little kind of like annexing bit now. But that's a swimming pool on the roof. expensive.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Perhaps one of them. This one was up for sale recently for 2.5 million. That was a holiday let, 6 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms.
Keenan.
Quite a few holiday lets. This one here is a holiday let as well.
I think it's been warm if you heated it.
That's a holiday let apparently.
There's lots of little bits off where you can have privacy, but yeah, this is the thing.
Goes across to abroad.
Oh yeah.
People love it, I tell you what. If these go up for sale in the morning,
This is
they're
George
sold by the
Formby's one,
afternoon.
isn't it?
Oh, the one up there.
Heronby.
Heronby, yes.
That's George Formby's old
They certainly did.
massive, beautiful garden. You can't build on it though, it's too soft, so yeah. Enjoy it.
Thank you.
Oh no, port.
And his wife, Vince.
Oh, he's coming that boat off.
Okay then everybody, so we're nearly back at the boat. It'll be another 5 minutes or so. So if you could all take a seat please and just remain seated until we're safely docked, that would be lovely.